This is how sunflower seeds become sunflower oil inside a modern factory.
Sunflower oil begins with sunflower seeds, grown in vast agricultural fields. When the crop is ready, sunflower seeds are harvested at industrial scale. Each sunflower head contains seeds rich in oil. The harvested sunflower seeds are collected in bulk. These sunflower seeds are transported directly to a sunflower oil factory. This is where sunflower seed oil production begins.
Inside the factory, sunflower seeds move into processing.
The sunflower seeds are cleaned before oil extraction. Air systems remove unwanted materials from the sunflower seeds. Magnets protect the equipment during sunflower seed processing. The outer shells are removed from the sunflower seeds. Only the oil-rich kernels move forward.
The kernels continue toward oil extraction.
Flaking prepares the sunflower seeds for oil release. Thin flakes improve oil recovery. The flakes are gently heated. Heat helps release oil from the seeds. Oil extraction begins. Pressure forces oil out of the seeds.
This liquid is crude sunflower oil.
The remaining solid material is separated.
Remaining oil is recovered from the sunflower seeds.
Solvent extraction increases oil yield. The oil separates from the solvent. The solvent is reused in a closed system. The oil is prepared for refining. Heavy particles settle out. The oil becomes clearer. Natural gums are removed.
Excess acids are neutralized.
Unwanted compounds are removed. Color pigments are reduced.
This improves clarity.
The oil is fully refined. Odors are removed.
Steam purifies the oil.
Final filtration ensures purity.
The oil is now clean.
Quality is verified.
The oil is safely stored. Packaging begins. Each bottle is filled precisely.
The bottles are sealed.
Labels are applied.
Each bottle is traceable. Packaging continues. Pallets are formed. Bottles are packed.
The product is ready.
Sunflower oil leaves the factory.
Production continues at full scale.
The oil flows through controlled systems. Conditions are carefully controlled.
Operators monitor the process.
Safety systems protect quality. Large volumes are stored. The oil moves to packaging. Finished products move forward. Products are organized for shipment. Logistics prepare deliveries.
Orders are dispatched. Inventory is monitored.
Distribution begins.
The oil leaves the facility.
Routine inspections ensure reliability. Equipment is maintained. Redundancy ensures continuity. The finished oil is clear and pure. Automation increases efficiency.
Quality seals are applied.
Distribution expands worldwide.
Final checks are completed.
Industrial processing continues. The oil moves smoothly. The system works as one. From seed to oil, the process is complete.
This is how sunflower seeds become sunflower oil inside a modern factory.